new song to show you today. It's called Superstar Rabbit. Now, this song uses both the note C, which we did last time, and also the note D, the note right next to C. You can find this song, Superstar Rabbit, on page 10 of your book. My First Songs for Piano. Let's take a look. Again, Superstar Rabbit is on page 10 of your book, if you don't have that out yet. All right, so in this song, we are going to be starting again on middle C. There we go. And we play that with finger 1, which is what? Our thumb, right? With our right hand. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4 middle Cs. And then what happens here? Wow, it says 2. That means we move on to the next note. What comes after C? D. A, B, C, D. D is the next note. And the first time you look at this, or if you look at it from far away, you might think, well, those look like the same note. So then you have to look closer, all right? You want to train your eyes to see the difference between these two. Middle C always has a little line through it. D, treble D, is up just a little bit higher. It's right underneath the treble clef, and it doesn't have a line through it, right? So we play C, 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 and then D, 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 and then we go back to middle C for 4 more beats, and then, whoa, what happens here? We go back to D again, right? It says finger 2, but that's a note we haven't seen before, right? We learned last time about quarter notes, the black notes, which we hold for 1 count, right? And the half notes, which we hold for how many counts? 2 counts. That's right. A whole note you hold for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And something that can help you remember that it's called a whole note is you hold it down for the whole measure. Whoa, wait, what's a measure? We haven't talked about measures. Can you say measure with me? Measure. Yeah, a measure is a group of notes. We have 4 measures right here. You can probably tell because of this line. At the end of each measure, there's a line. We call that a bar line. Can you say bar line? Bar line. Yeah, and in this book, every song has 4 beats per measure. That's why there's this number 4 up here. That means 4 beats per measure. And then the bottom 4, this might be confusing to you if you haven't learned fractions, but the bottom 4 tells you what kind of note gets the beat, and it stands for quarter note. Quarter note gets the beat. There's 4 quarter notes in every measure. Not 4 whole notes, not 4 half notes, but 4 quarter notes in every measure. So let's move down to the bass clef. Do you remember what note this is? Bass clef C, 2nd space note. So we play that with finger 5, which is which finger? Your pinky, right? So we play 4 of those, and then you'll see there's a 4, so we move from 5 to 4, and that's also D. It's right next door to C. C, 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 D, 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 D. Then we go back to C. This time it's a half note, so we hold it for how many beats? 2 beats, right? 1, 2. Stay on C. Stay on C. Bass clef C. And now we have another whole note. And we hold that for how many beats? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. So I want to go through this and count and clap the rhythm like we did in the last song. Okay, so if you think you're really good at this, you can do it with me. If you want, though, it's okay to just listen. But if you listen, I want you to try to follow along in your book so that you can see where I am. See if you can keep track. Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right? Now, I'm going to do it again. This time I will tap so that I have one hand free to help you follow along. All right? Again, you can just watch or you can do it with me if you feel ready. All right, here we go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's great. I think we are ready to hear what this song sounds like. Let's do it.